cricket.
Yes.
I kick the ball.
Yes.
I kicked the ball.
Yes.
I will kick now. I see the girl. I saw the girl. I will see the girl.
Yes. Very good.
I plant a tree.
Yes.
I plant a tree.
I planted the yes.
I will plant a tree.
ಹಾ
I plant a tree. She told plant, sir. I told tree, sir.
ಮುಗಿದತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್
I planted a tree.
ಹಾ
I will plant a tree.
yes close the plant a new one
I wear shoes.
ಹಾ
I wear shoes.
I wear shoes
I wear shoes. Wear
I wear shoes ಹಾ we too
Wear.
Oh my God.
wear we too
Wear. I wear.
she told go okay now no helping nothing ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಹಾ ನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈಗ ಇದು ಹಾ
Sir, we should not use the have.
ನೋ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಾ
I sing song.
ಹಾ
I sang a song. I will sing song. I drink water. I drank water. I will drink water. I see movie. I saw movie. I see serial.
ಸಾ ಮೂವಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
No, I will see. I will see movie.
ಹಾ I watch play W is out hey out
I play cricket. I played cricket. I will play cricket.
yes
I see serial. I saw serial. I will see serial. I watch movie. I watched movie. I will watch movie.
very good
I play Coco.
yes
I played Coco.
Yes.
I will play Coco.
yes very good you are doing great and can you introduce yourself introduce
Hello everybody, my good name is Anusha Bagalkote. I am studying in
yes it is final round okay
Hello everybody, my good name is Neha Garga. I am studying class 7. Hello everybody, my name is Sunil Devendra. I am studying 8th class.
okay same time present past future
I see phone. I saw phone. I will see phone. I wear dress.
I wear a dress
I wear dress. I will wear dress. I saw movie. I watch movie.
you see have told I
So two
okay out next ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ simple present interrogative simple past interrogative do did I sing did I
change the subject.
yes change start
Do I plant a tree?
clear point is clear use simple present interrogative do and you use simple past interrogative clear okay
Do I sing a song? Did I sing a song?
stand properly
Do I watch a movie? Did I watch a movie? Do we go for park?
do you go to park
Did we go to park? Did you plant a tree? Did I plant a tree?
okay fine well done Farid congratulations well done okay